Purihin ang Panginoon. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ang Pasko ay katunayan ng pag-ibig ng Diyos sa lahat ng tao. Kaya totoong may dahilan upang magsaya dahil binigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng pagkakataon na maranasan ang kaligtasan at makalaya sa kasalanan. For us to enjoy the love of goodness of God. And its proof is when He gave His one and only Son for the redemption of our soul. If there are those who cannot find reason to joy and celebrate this Christmas season because of the many unprecedented and unfavorable things we encountered, let us find grace and blessing beyond difficulties, and one of its reason, we are still alive. Kinahabagan tayo ng Diyos ng patuloy na buhay at lakas, for us to enjoy the blessings of having work to sustain our needs, good friends to laugh with, place to stay and find rest, food to eat to be healthy, a good family to love, more importantly, the joy of salvation that brings peace within us. Marami man tayong pinagdaanan, nananatiling mabuti ang Diyos upang ating masabing maligayang Pasko at mapagpalang bagong taon na darating. Ako po si Pastor Marina de Luna, mula po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Gospel of Salvation. Ito po ang aming hangad at panalangin para sa inyong lahat. Purihin ang ating Panginoon.